up guys, Evergreen Fly Guy here, and you know what we're going to be doing today? After so much struggle and waiting and delays, finally got my Postfly trout box. So we're just gonna go do a little unboxing video and show you what we got going on. So here's the box. Obviously already ready to go. Marked out some information. We're just gonna cut it open. My scissors here. Got some stickers. Is this a sticker? No, it's an ornament. That's actually really cool. It's a Buddy the Elf with a rainbow trout. Or it's candy cane trout. Are they air fresheners? No. No, they're ornaments. That's pretty cool. There's two of them. Got our person who tied the flies, obviously. Sticker. This time, this one's actually a sticker. That's pretty cool. Probably go on one of my boxes. Before we get into that, let's see. We got our supplies here. We got some Spark Soft Hackle, size 12, price $24.99. I believe that. Oh, that looks like really quality stuff. And there's going to be one of the flies that'll come out of it. And we have our soft hackle glass beads again. More of these, size 18. It's bigger than the last ones we had. We had size 16 last time. See, it's quite a bit bigger. Alright, and this is the Spent Caddis, size 18, $24.99. Oh, that looks like a really good pattern right there. That's interesting. What else do we got in here? We have what I'm assuming, yeah, because it's kind of popping out right here. There's another, oh, there it goes. Fly tying tools. Had our tools pop out. Just gonna take these, set it over the side. I'll fix it later. Oh, what is this? This is a burlap sack. That's really cool. River Runs. That's really nice. Yeah. Nice and engraved. Drawstrings. Let's see what's in. Okay. Oh, it's a vise. This seems similar to my current vise. So, yeah. Very similar to the current vise. Actually, I think it is exactly the current vise. However, I didn't get the fancy bag with mine. I think there's something, it feels like there's something else in there. So it's, oh, no, it's just the little Allen key multi-tool there. Some other stuff in here. There's another Buddy the Elf sticker, two of them. We actually didn't get a card for what came, but that's pretty cool. So second vise, tools, and 3 different patterns. So that'll type plenty of flies. So that's exciting. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go catch some fish.